paper and pen, because sometimes my brain refuses to go digital. Here's the map for our hexagonal mess. Forget the L298N bricks. I switched to the TB6612. Why? Because 3.3 volts from the ESP32 need efficiency, not a radiator. Half an hour spent fighting a Jumper Wire Hydra. It's not cable management, it's a cry for help. Uploading the code, and strangely, it actually works. I'm as confused as you are. Next week, encoders and electrical noise. Will the motors kill the signal? Probably. Follow for the disaster.